Hello friends, welcome to my channel and welcome to my another Bitcoin video. Today I am back in another Bitcoin graph search. So I can discuss everything about the Bitcoin graph, where the market going and where it stands. Also share the Bitcoin price. So let's start. First of all, I am in the one-day chart. In one-day chart, you can see this market is going to down in one-day chart. If I go to the 1 hour chart, you can see in 1 hour chart market is going to up. If I go to 2 hour chart, you can see in 2 hour chart market is going to up. If I go to 3 hour chart, look, the market is going to up. If I go to 4 hour chart, where the market is going to down, so it's not the exact market. If I go to 1 minute chart, look, the market is going to up. If I go to 5 minute chart, you can see the market is going to up. If I go to 30-minute chart, look, the market is going to down, but sometimes later it is going to up, I think. If I go to 45-minute chart, last 45-minute chart, market is going to up. If I go to 1 hour chart, look, market is going to up. So it's difficult how is the market going on, but it's clear market is going to up. Now I go to the 1 week chart. In 1 week chart, you can see market is going to down, but I think market's last scale will be that, and after that we will be up. Now I can discuss about the graph. So first of all, I take a scale of this last week. I think if market going to down, market going this position, and after that we will going to up. If you know the good prediction about the Bitcoin graph, so comment below and share your idea. I think it will be helpful for my audience and my friends. Now I can discuss about the Bitcoin price. Today's Bitcoin price is 26,851.80 USD. Today's Bitcoin price is on BTC is equal to 26,851.80 USD. I hope everybody liked the video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share your idea and share with your friends. Thank you.